The Hindu creation myth says that before this time began, there was no heaven, no earth, and no space between. A vast ocean washed upon the shores of nothingness and licked the edges of the night. A giant cobra floated on the waters. Asleep within its endless coils lay the Lord Vishnu. He was watched over by the mighty serpent. Everything was so silent and peaceful that Vishnu slept undisturbed by dream's motion. From the depths, a humming sound began to tremble. Om. It grew and spread, filling the emptiness and throbbing with energy. The night had ended. Vishnu awoke. As the dawn began to break, from Vishnu's navel grew a magnificent lotus flower. In the middle of the blossom sat Vishnu's servant, Brahma. He awaited the Lord's command. Vishnu spoke to his servant, "It's time to begin." Brahma vowed. Vishnu continued, "Create the world." A wind swept the waters. Vishnu and the serpent vanished. Brahma remained in the lotus flower, floating and tossing on the sea. He lifted up his arms and calmed the wind and the ocean. Then Brahma split the lotus flower into three. He stretched one part into the heavens. He made another part into the earth. With the third part of the flower, he created the skies. The earth was bare. Brahma set to work. He created grass, flowers, trees, and plants of all kinds. To these he gave feeling. Next, he created animals with insects to live in the land. He made birds and many fish. To these creatures he gave the sense of touch and smell. He gave them the power to see, hear, and move. The world was soon bristling with life, and the air was filled with the sound of Brahma's creation. And this is the Hindu creation myth.